Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pentewah. If you haven't met before, I hope you're enjoying the little mini Accra tour nobody asked for. Today I didn't know how to start a vlog, so I was like, let me just start with capturing some little clips of Accra for you. But right now we're gonna at Osu. He's meeting someone here. Today's actually Sunday, 1st May. Woo! It's my birth month. It's actually our birth month. We are both Mayborn. And also happy Workers Day to all workers. More strength to your elbows. I also hope everyone is well and safe. I posted an update today on my community tab. We finally got a refrigerator. We got the Hisense brand. I was at work when Rig went to look for that type. Initially we were considering the Broom brand, but I didn't really like something about it, so we went to Rig said he would go to the Hisense shop to go and see what's available there, and then he sent me some pictures and we agreed on the one to pick. So I will show you guys the fridge later on. Yeah. Rig, say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
Hi guys, so we are currently, Rig is done what he was doing, and we are currently going to Accra. So they are running a 50% promo, and I'm just hoping it's true. These people, they'll just increase their price and then they'll be like, they're running a sales, whatever. We are just going to check them out. Also, we are really liking your guesses, please. So I don't have any money to get a rent apartment, so please. I don't know whether it will be sooner or later, but then you guys will get to know like eventually. So just roll with me, okay? But it's something bigger and better. I hate when people do this, but then I find myself doing the same thing to you guys. I'm so sorry. What did you say?
Stay calm and take some popcorn. We'll be right back.
I didn't see that this one day. Can you see it? Can you see it? This is very nice. How much is it? See this one too. This one you can even move the L wherever you want.
And they have very nice quality.
Machama, who come run as ana? What's me yo who no?
The blue car.
Bus stop.
Or if you don't want to go tell yourself come.
Accra was a fail. What we wanted was sold out, but they were actually running a 50% discount, and we actually got a free Accra ride. So I'm really hungry, auntie. It looks different from now on.
There was a weird background noise, so I have to voice over this for you guys. But then we went to Palace Mall at Spintest to go and look for a gas oven. Yeah, but then we realized we wouldn't get enough space to put it in the car, so we'll come for it tomorrow. So I got some tissue, and then I got some, I'm waiting for the next product, some sanitary pad, and then I got, Abigail, hurry up, you like talking? Okay, I got some Oral-B toothpaste because the small one I bought the other time is almost done, and so far it has been working very good for my sensitive teeth. So I got the bigger size this time, and I was trying to say that I've recommended it to Rick, so he was just like confirming the fact that yes, I've recommended it to him. Okay, let's wait for the next item. Yeah, I got no. Actually, this baby oil is for Rick, so that is all I got, and the phone fell.
I think I've not seen much garlic oil. We actually wanted to get a gas cooker, the media gas cooker from Palace, because their price was less expensive than the one we saw at Kapfan. We wanted to get it, but then Rick's car is full and his boot is also full, so we'll come for it, God willing, tomorrow. We also got ourselves some drink. We got chicken, and then I got some meat pie. This is the orange one. It's not bad. Let me try the other one. Okay, the mango is not bad though. Try the mango. Have you tasted orange? Yo, it's the next day and then we are coming back. It's there? Why are you scaring me? You're scaring me that they bought the cooker. It's standing alone like, where is it? So we've come back for the cooker. So it's 1,500 here, and then Kafam was almost 1,800. So we are at least saving about 300 cedis. Yeah.
And then we're even buying a gift card. We buy like a gift card of 20 cedis.
And then we get discount of 50 cedis. So we'll pay 1,000, like almost 1,450. Yeah. That was really hectic, but then we finally got the stove. Yay! And actually we got another 100 cedis discount, so instead of paying 1,500, that's like 1,499. That was how it was listed. We paid 1,000. How much did you pay for it? How much did you pay for it? Let me check the receipt. Okay, 1,400 instead of 1,500. So that was a good deal. I bought another batch of the pie and then the chicken tenders we got yesterday because it was so good. And then I got a different flavored slashes today. This is the strawberry one, and I got the same orange one yesterday. Yippee.
Someone thank me.
You guys, I almost forgot to show you the fridge, but this is the Hisense brand. This is the freezer side. There's nothing inside the freezer side. And then this is the fridge side. We really have water and then juice. So that is the fridge. Yeah, and we also got a SolarTech adapter for it for extra security. So this is the fridge. Yeah, so that's the fridge, and I think I'm going to end the video right here. I've not even started editing the video yet, but then I hope it's long enough for you guys, and I hope you enjoyed it as well. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye guys.